Is your Windows giving errors after the recent update? It does? Then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Chala, and today we're going to fix the Windows update error in 3 very easy and simple steps. And in those 3 steps, if the issue does not get fixed, we can also try uninstalling and installing it manually. So I'm going to guide you through the process. So without a delay, let's just begin. Now, before we start with the steps, what I want you guys to do is just go to your start button, type in Windows Update, open up the Windows Update settings. Now on the right hand side, you're going to find an option called OS Build Info. Just click on that. Once you click on that, come to the left side one more time. Now inside of Windows specifications, you're going to find out the current version, also the installed on date. Just make a note of that and then just close this. Now we're going to try our 3 simple steps. Now for step number 1, what I want you guys to do is go to your start button one more time, type in Troubleshoot, open the Troubleshoot settings as you can see here. Once you open this, there will be an option called Additional Troubleshooters. Just click on that. Once it opens up, you're going to find out the Windows Update option. Just click on this. Then just click on the Run on Troubleshooter. So once the troubleshooter is running and once this tries to fix the issue, once the troubleshooter is done, I want you guys to just restart your computer. And once you restart your computer, it should work fine. The update should be working fine. In case it doesn't, we're going to now go to our step number 2. Now for step number 2 and 3, we're going to run these 2 commands from the command line. I have prepared the commands here as you can see in my notepad. We're going to try them one by one. Now from command prompt, you guys need to make sure that you run this as administrator. Use this option called run as administrator. Never run it normally, just run as administrator. The path that should open up here should be C Windows System 32. Now just copy the sfc/scannow command. This is going to check all of the errors in your hard disk or your files. So just run that and it will start a system scan. It will try to fix any error that you have in your files or directories, your hard disk. This may take some time. It may take 15 to 20 minutes as well, like depending on how fast your hard disk is. Just let it finish, and once it finishes, just restart your computer and it should work fine. Now, even if the second step doesn't work, we're going to try the third step, which is the Windows fixing command. Now open up command prompt again, type cmd, do a right click, run as administrator, click on yes. Again, copy the command. I'm going to paste these commands in the description by the way for you guys, so that you can just directly copy and paste it. We're going to paste this and this will start a Windows fixing kind of tool. So this will take some time as well. Once this completes, I want you guys to restart your computer one more time and try again. This should fix the issue. This should, 99% of the cases, this issue should be fixed. Now, if you're unlucky 1%, if you're one of those unlucky 1%, now no need to worry. You can also just uninstall your recently installed update and install it again by downloading it manually from the Windows site. I'm going to show you that process as well. We're going to go to start button again, Windows Update settings, go to view update history. Now there will be an option called uninstall updates. Just click on that. It will give you the recently installed update list. As you can see, the last update that has been installed is this one, KB5031816. And what you can do is you can just right click this and install this update. If you're having the issue with this update, just uninstall the recent one and then just go to your Microsoft catalog page. You can just paste that KB number here. I'm just gonna try it one more time and just show you, just KB5031816. Do a search. As you do a search, it's going to give you the file names. What you can do is just directly download this file. Now you can see your OS version is also given here, 22H2. If you remember, we had the same version, 22H2. Just download these and just try to install, and it should work fine. It should fix your issue. In case it doesn't, don't need to worry. Let me know in the comment. I will definitely give you a solution. That is my promise. Okay? If you have any doubt, any issue, feel free to comment. I will definitely help you out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.